set chapter first है 11th order of set or second name cardinal number of set. The number of elements present in that set said to be cardinal number या order of that set, order of a that set. For example, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then order of A equal to 5 and B equal to 7, 5, 9. Then order of B equal to 3. There is 3 elements and there is 5 elements. अब सिंगलटन सेट, सिंगलटन सेट फाइनाइट इनफाइनाइट मैंने लिखा था ना. There is so many type of sets. There is a so many type of sets. Type of sets. Number 3, singleton set. Singleton set. A set is said to be singleton set. A set is said to be singleton set which have number of elements are single. For example, A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 5, D equal to half, E equal to pi, F equal to C, etc. etc. These all of them are example of a singleton set. Fourth of them, null set, void set, or empty set. There is 3 names: null set, void set, or a empty set. A set is said to be null set. A set is said to be null set which have no one of the elements, no one of the elements in that set. That's it. It is denoted by five, or you can say this curly bracket, that is boundary of the set. Fifth, equality of two sets. Equality of two sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal sets in which number of elements are same and equal. For example, set A attain value 1 2 3, set B attain value 3 1 2 1 3 2, set C attain 3 1 2. Then you can say set A equal to set B equal to set C. Is that clear? Next, equivalent sets. Sixth, equivalent sets. Two sets A and B are said to be an equivalent sets which have number of elements are equal but not same. For example, A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to A B C, C equal to 5 7 9. Then A is equivalent to B and B is equivalent to C and C is equivalent to A. Next, difference of two sets. Number 7. Difference of two sets. If A minus B equal to X such that X belong to A but X does not belong to B, it means this is set A, this is set B, X lies in A but not lies in B, and B minus A can be written as Y such that Y belong to B and Y does not belong to A. There is Y. Y belong to B, not belong to A, and X belong to A, X does not belong in B. Then symmetric difference. Of two sets A and B. It is denoted by A delta B. This is delta. This is a delta. A delta can be expressible as A minus B union B minus A. This is symbol of a union. Is that clear? Now we want to discuss about the union and the intersection. Firstly, we have to discuss about the example of the difference of two sets. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equal to 5, 7, 8, 9. Then this is set A and this is set A, B. A attain this and B attain this and common A intersection B. This is symbol of intersection. That will be common element. Of A and B. Intersection of A and B You can say this will be equal to common elements of A and B. Out of these two sets, you are check that K 5 is one of the common element in both the sets. 5 lies in A and 5 lies in B also. But A attain element 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5 in common. And B attain 5 in common, 7, 8 and then 9. If you want to find out A minus B and B minus A and A delta B, these are examples. A minus B. A delta B equal to A minus B union B minus A. A minus B attain all the element of A except that common element of A and B. I mean common element of B डिटेक्ट फ्रॉम सेट ए. आगे सेट कौन सा है? ए. जो कॉमन है ए का और बी का वो निकाल दिया जाए. बचे हुए एलिमेंट जो भी हो गए ए के वो ए माइनस बी के अंदर आ जाएंगे. 1, 2, 3 एंड देन 4. सिमिलरली बी के अंदर जो ए और बी के कॉमन एलिमेंट है उनको छोड़ के बचे हुए बी के 7, 8 एंड 9. 7, 8 और 9. अब बात आई ए माइनस बी और बी माइनस ए की. ए माइनस बी के अंदर क्या आया? 1, 2, 3, 4 यूनियन. बी के अंदर क्या आया? 7, 8, 9 यूनियन के अंदर ऑल द एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट A minus B and all the element of the set B minus A lies in the set A. Union of both these sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and then 9. This is your answer. Clear? Union and intersection of two sets left A and B are two sets, then A union B contains all the elements of the set A and the set B. And A intersection B contains common elements of the set A and the set B. Now complement 8 के बाद this is 9th and this is 10th. Complement. Firstly example. For example, A equal to 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is set. Suppose that A and B. B attain 3, 9, 10, 12, 13. Then firstly find A union B and then find A intersection B. A union B. All the element of the set A, the set B lies in the set A union B, but common element can be written only on one time. 3 is common, 9 is common, 10 is common. Then 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 or 13. This is union of the set A and the set B. Then A intersection B. A intersection B attain only common element of set A and B. 3, 9, 10 in B and 3, 9, 10 in A. 3, 9 or 10. Clear? Now we have to discuss about the complement of the set A. 10. Complement of the set A. if U is any universal set, any universal set, like as in U equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10 तक, and A set A is a subset of U which lies in A, which lies in U, lies in a U. For example, A equal to 2 or 4. Then A complement A dash या A raised power C set to be complement of the set A, complement of the set A. So A complement denoted by either A dash or A raised power C will be equal to these contains all the element of the set U except that element of the set A. A के एलिमेंट को छोड़ के बाकी सारे U के एलिमेंट 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want write down set B, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you found element of B complement B dash, or you can say B की power C, तो B के एलिमेंट छोड़ के U के बचे हुए एलिमेंट 5 तो छोड़ दिया जाए, 6, 7, 8, 9 और 10. This is a B complement. Is that clear? After that, U is a universal set, which contains all the elements of their subsets, where A is subset of U and B is subset of U. This is a subset symbol. Now superset and subsets. Stop.